Once again, I'll be teaching you another birthday flyer design. Click on INSHOT app. Birthday flyer. So I'll click on photo and then new, then blank. I want to believe you are familiar with all these processes. So then I'll click on canvas. Don't forget, the first thing I do is to set my page background size. So 3:4 is what I normally use for birthday flyer designs. So what I will do is I will click on my background image icon. Now let me search for my background. Okay, let me use this. It's okay. Now let me still click on this background. Let me get this one, the first cycle. Now what I will do here is I will scroll through, get my pip. Let me get the pictures I want to use. Now I'll go to my INSHOT folder because I've removed the background of the picture and I've saved them. So the only thing is to bring them out. So this is one of the picture here. Yeah, there's a picture. So one thing I want to do is, let me still click on this view before pip, scroll through and then click on this background. I'm not too much comfortable with this background. Let me see. Should I go with this? Okay, so I'm going to add this up, but what I will do is I will reduce it first. So I'll scroll through, click on mask as usual. The third one, you should be familiar with this issue of blending background now. Even if you just started learning yesterday. So I'm going to increase and bring it down, increase and bring it down. Okay, so what I will do now is I will still click on this pip because I'm using, go to my INSHOT folder. That is where they are. I've removed their background. I'm using 3 over pictures. So this happens if the clients give you like 3 or 4 pictures. I mean different styles, because some of them don't have much pictures. So some of them have just 2 or 3. So like this one, I'm going to increase your auntie and I'll keep you here. Just relax here, okay? Let me reduce her. Go closer to her small. What I will do is I'll bring it down here. I'll click on this picture here. So I'll click on mask. I'll reduce this arrow. I'll shift it here. So done. That is what I want to do. So you come. You have much space now. A little, a little. Very good. So the next thing I want to do is I will scroll through and click on this one, pip. So okay, there is this picture too that I want to use. But before I use this picture, let me click on this black. I want to blend the background now. So I will scroll through, I'll click on mask, click on this, reduce it a little and bring it down, and then widen it, widen it. Why did I choose to use black? Well, it's because her hair is black though. So so I'll click on this pip, don't mind me. Then this is the second picture here that I'm using. This is the second picture here. I'll add up a little. She couldn't wash. Okay, so I'll scroll through. The next thing I want to do now is I'll click on this. Now this picture here, sorry, this picture, you see this black background, I will reduce it first. Bring it down. This one, this picture here, I'm moving it here a little. So this picture here, I'd see I will delete it first, and then I will add this and bring it, add it and bring it down. So I'll click on this peep. Now let me still get the picture. I was trying to make the arrangement. I realized that it was not too making sense. Yeah, so now the next thing I want to do is I'll click on my sticker. I want to get the font now. So I'll click on this image icon, click on this plus sign. This is the font that I want to use. Let me see if the font is good to go or is not good to go. The font is not that too okay for me. Let me see. Okay. I think dropping it here too is beautiful. So what I would do now, leave it there, is I will scroll through. Okay, go to my peep here. So scroll through. Let me come to my INSHOT folder. Okay, I get this. So I'll reduce it, bring it down here. What I want to do here is I want to write. So I'll still click on this peep. Now let me go to either Facebook. So let me look for something that has a white background. Okay, let me choose this one and see. So what I will do now is I'll click on this mask, I'll click on this cycle, I'll reduce it. What I'm looking for is this white cycle a little. It's just this white background. So I'll click on done. Very good. So bring it here. Yeah, so what I will do now, I'll click on done. So let's assume she was born on I say the 15th 15. I don't need label again. No, cancel text. The text should be that, is it lemon green they call it? I think this should be the color here. So let's try this color and see. So I want to change the text, capture it. So is it like this? That capture it did not make sense to me. Let's change the color. That color did not make sense. Okay, 15. Okay, you can see it down. So what I will do is October. Thank you. I will bring your October here. October 15. So what is the next thing that I want to do now is her name. Let's say Victoria. Victoria Sunday. So what I will do is I'll come here. Sorry, this dash line. Click on this angle, this first one. I will reduce it like this. 32. Done. I'll bring it down here. So I'm going to change the font to white so that they'll be able to see it well. Okay. So I think I should reduce it. Cool. I will edit it. Come back here. Click on this ABCD. Let's to 28. So come to this, give it a border. Let me give it a border of the screen color, but the border should be just one. Yeah, Victoria Sunday. Wow, the Y is not there. This is Sunday. So I'll reduce it. Victoria Sunday. So the next thing I'll do now is I will say wishing you long life. So you come to this A. We don't need it. Done. So come here, the border. You don't need border. Come to this, wishing you long life, good health, divine joy, mercy, kindness, victory, happiness, and what again? Okay, promotion, and prosperity. Is that all? No. Let's say success and what? Prosperity. So I'll click on done. I think this right up here is I'll reduce it, bring it down. So what I'll do is I'll click on this edit. This good health, I'll take it up here. And then this I'll bring you here. And then this I'll bring you here. So this good health, I'll bring divine joy here. Victory, I'll bring happiness here. So I think this is okay this way. So the next thing I'll do is brief. Sorry, the label is this, and that green color is what we are going with. Well, let me change it to beautiful. She's a lady. Am I going with this label this time around? Beautiful. Intelligent. And then let's say educated. Educated. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me try something. Copy it and bring it here. Let me say smart. Undo. I just wanted to try something. So I'll delete it. Undo. This smart, I'll delete it. This smart, I'll delete it. No need. So that is the end of this butterfly. Okay. Then I'll just click on export. So it's going to save in your INSHOT folder. If you go back there, you're going to see your designs that you have done. So that is the end.